Hello, this is my voice reveal, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make games like this FNAF 3 remake I made. Here's it so far. You can make simpler games using a really cool software. There's a free version. This is really all you can do in my FNAF game right now. I have another one I'm working on. It's free. Just gonna reload the page to get back to run game. And so what you want to do, first, step one, go to clickteam.com. And you click free edition. You could also go to our products, game creation tools, and click Team Fusion free edition. It says make your first game in less than an hour. Follow one of our easy to understand tutorials, which come included with software. You don't need to do this. I never watched any of the tutorials. This is mainly for HTML5 creation. Now you see, here's the developer version, which I use sometimes. But we can go here. This is how to make a FNAF game. I totally forgot to say that. So you want to click New Application. You want to click this, double click it. Here is your frame run one. We're gonna click Rename, and we're gonna type fnaf. You don't have to type it like that. No, don't do that. Type main menu. And for the application, you want to name it we want to name it FNAF fan game. Now back to here. We're gonna go look up so I'm going to look up FNAF fan game office. FNAF fan game office. And images. You can pick an office. For example, I'm going to find an office for a game. This one looks like no, not that one. How about look for an office? Like I'll just use this 5 Nights at Treasure Island office image, and then we'll be looking at FNAF camp. Just look up like Cartoon Freddy. Yeah, we're gonna grab this Cartoon Freddy image. So we're gonna save image as. We're gonna save it as PNG file, and of course we have to save it to all files. Click save. Now we have our Freddy animatronic for our game. Now, properties. But why am I going to properties? If we go here, you can change the background color to black. And now we want to create insert object. Scroll down, string. We're going to go to this A. We change the RGB to white. Five, nights at cartoons. Now, bold. Now we're going to change the font. Terminal.
I use so much recycling.
70. Now this is our main menu logo, and now we're gonna create insert object. We're gonna click active, and we're gonna click OK. We want to click edit, or you could just left click. You could right click and then click edit, or left click then click enter. Now we're gonna look up 5. You don't have to do this. What I'm doing exactly. You can make your own start button. I don't think I'm gonna find a start button, so we're gonna go back to our project, and we're going to open up paint.net, Microsoft Paint. We're just gonna do we're just gonna do paint. Register paint, and we're gonna scale this up. Don't know what I was doing. And we're gonna click A instead of Onyx. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna increase the size. And we're gonna bolden and act on film. Oh, you could do start or what am I doing? We don't even need this piece of string. Okay, we're gonna need the string. Size set to 999. Yeah, that's good. And a 9. Green. Okay. Okay. How big are start buttons gonna be?
Okay, your phone. Phone. Doors.
No, you're gonna click on disable visible at start.
Okay.
Okay, now we have a Five Nights at Cartoons game, and we have this green thing that's not visible at start. We're gonna cancel. Now you'll want to add enter object, and we're gonna scroll down to string. Again, place a string here. We'll type new game. Text options, color white. Yet again, 70 terminal. Now, if we click the F8 button, we got a new game button. And, well, screen wise, doesn't really do anything. We got new game. Now, right click and click add new frame. Um, so, sorry if you can hear me down in the background. It's been kind of loud.
Bad word.
So, we're now going to start with off. We have our office now. Yeah, but now we can go here and we're going to go here. New condition. Keyboard and mouse. The mouse Once there's over an object, jump to frame to office. Now, if we click F8,
No, it's fine. No. Okay.
I just realized we could change the object. Huh?
I don't know. Oh my god.
E.
Do you even know who you are?
Me?
I'm talking about who are you?
It's the DEG. That's what it is. Oh no. You've reached low limits. Now this just sucks. Sorry. If you can get your parents, or if you're an adult watching this, if you can get anyone, if you can get your parent, adult, or yourself to buy this, because this is also supposed to be kid friendly. This one video, but it's FNAF, so never mind, no kids allowed. If you can get someone playing this, you can get the full version. Okay, I think we're not able to use something like that because there are things you're not able to use like this now. So I'm just going to set this tutorial and I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to continue this project in this. Open application, scroll down to my tutorial. You're going to have to change. Now we have here and here. Okay, now we're going to make our office. From Treasure Island. So we're going to save images as office.png. And then we're going to take all files, save. What you want to do is instead of doing what I did, there's a if clicked button instead. You want to do that, And then you're going to want to make the jump to frame thing happen. Insert object. Active. Just go to this here. Open. Office.png. Unknown format. JPEG. You little rascal. You. Let's finish the office.png. We'll rename it instead of .png. We're going to change it JPEG. Can you open the JPEG? Yes, it works. It's a JPEG. Now, let's use a brand new JPEG. Ag! This isn't happening. Images isn't loading. Screenshot. Stop! Don't look. I'll tell you when to look. You're seeing a bunch of things from my projects, my other project, mainly. Open. Okay. Now, more. This is an asset from a game I'm working on more. Originally in a game called Johnny, which I've not played. I just really liked the design. This game is going to be your first clickteam fusion game, if I'm correct. It might feel like a beginner until you're not. You'll feel like you know every single aspect about the engine. Okay. Now you've created the main office. It's just it's just your first draft ad game. That's all.
Do you like my very fast bed? Yeah, definitely. I'm still working on it.
Okay, you're making a scratch game. So, now you wanna right click or Control J, create another active object, and you want to set it right here, and you want it to stay there. It's totally useless. Why did I just make it? Uh-oh. We're gonna copy a frame, and then we're gonna go up here, and no, we're gonna go up here, and you right click this frame. New office. Now we're gonna move this active over to here, and this. I'm just gonna open this up. We're gonna open up our new active Freddy Fazbear artwork. Unknown format. No. Oh God. JPEG. We're gonna save it as JPEG. All image all hail JPEGs. Save. Now we have an open file. Ooh, JPEG. Now that we have our JPEG, we're gonna cool it up. How are we gonna find a good Freddy? Freddy, the Freddy. I'm gonna take a. I really like that other one. We're gonna make a game, cartoon animatronics, which we are. We're definitely not using the official Freddy model. I have an idea. Back to our stealing fan artwork idea. We're literally just gonna go grab your snipping tool, not snapping tool, and literally just yate bippity boppity. Your character is now my property. JPEG, thank you, JPEG. Whatty.jpg. Whatty.jpg. Open. Okay. That's a little big. Freddy.jpg. Freddy's a JPEG. He's gonna appear in one of your doors. Yeah. Uh-oh. Freddy in your office. He in your office. What am I doing with my time? We're gonna rename this game to Ugg. He's he's coming. He's coming. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to here. Now we're going back to Office. We want to go into Event Editor. We're going to click New Condition. Time. Value seconds. 10 seconds. Click OK. Sip. No, not music. Jump to frame. He's coming. Okay, now we have a He's Coming character. We're going to test it.